kumbobola.
Ja, ja,
Ja kumbobola.
budia, budia.
Tomba bongo.
Bufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Zungulukata kumambende, oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Ambe zungulukata kumambende, oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Wajabari
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Watombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kela.
Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kele.
Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinyaja nsungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinyaja yaya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye attack Deba Pula Rekete Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela yo kele kanti ni ayo kela
Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kele.
Sadila ntangu atiri ntweni ange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na yembri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
Munsongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Rana bandu kutabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mbenga Balabaku bobo Balabaku bobo Balabaku bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Munsongi,
Songi la chila,
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 Munsongi,
Songi la chila.
Chimao chinjenda, Chimao chinazakala kulongo, Nkumbushi tania itatu mansangu munzo, Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu, Kanibala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu. Eka, nibala ni kipo, ni longo, ni biko, ni bakala, ni lando.
Mwanangele kwanye, tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwanangele kwanye, tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Najika, nayebesa, nalwika, kabutabako. Kanilumbu, nsalambanza. Munsongi,
Songi la chila,
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 Munsongi,
Songi la chila. Mwanangele kwanye, tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwanangele kwanye, tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwanangele kwanye, tima unwini meka. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Mama ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota njecha musu nibala banku ni mama lemba nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nti walla Nitomba mama lemba njene na lamba mwana yake chamuzuna ni chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana walla mama lembe mama ngana nzile tolokolo yako mama chiwalla nzadi ambuka ele menena somamba diambu dikayemene ndeko somamba ni diambu jantoto ubungu ntoto wera ndeko somamba wena chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemene ndeko somamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele nkelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafieti mboko kelo wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelo wa malemba iwo naka dzunu kubishimbamu eka bo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene naga ndeko sonkelo niwagana mbutu jina ni jina zisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja. L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Makurwa Koma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu. Mumpamba wondele bantu. Est-ce que beto kundu tatu kwa misa? Yachi ka kundu ako. Bisalu doneno sari tabokesa. Yachi sala kwa tutatombe ngachi tanunga. Ambe salu chitukule. Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja nti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele hakundu ninchi ni muntu wo kwenda kundu mayela mama bote amboka mpandu nambe mpandu ni muntu wo misigi mora masamba mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja ritata yekwa kombo jata ngulu jata kombo jata ngulu jata kombo jata ngulu jata kombo jata ngulu jata pota sabulungelangela pota sabulungelangela pota sabulungelangela mama bale Bina, 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 bongo chi. Bombo jata ngulu jata, bombo jata ngulu jata, bombo jata ngulu jata, bombo jata ngulu jata.
Yambote Nengotariwa. Can you hear me? Nengotariwa, are you there? Let me say hello to the audience. She has gone. Are you there? Tuton Dele, if you are watching, please do not move. This is Kikongo Class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Gabon. Let me go back. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Okay, I'm alone today. Okay, we are expecting that Audrey, yes. Nengotariwa, can you hear me? Are you there? Let me try to display my file anyway. Hopefully Nengotariwa is around. Let's see. This one. Nengotariwa, can you hear me? Nengotariwa. Tata Kwasi. Oh, strange. Oh, she's there. Nengotariwa, hello.
Hello, Tata Banzu. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Can you hear
can.
me?
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, Tata Banzu. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Too tone delay. Okay. We're going back to, recap, yes. We just want to make sure that we understand Kikongo. We understand, we know what we're doing. We understand Kikongo. So here is, Tata Kwasi is around, but I don't know what's happening. Can't speak, can't hear him. Okay, okay, this is our usual file, yes.
Yes.
Tonic pronoun, sorry. These are the tonic pronouns, yes, Tata Nengotadiwa.
Ingeta.
Yes. I can't hear you, Nengotadiwa. You there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. this column is your tonic. Yeah, pono ngeye yandi. So
Yeto
yeah,
yeno yao.
yeah. These are the standard. Then when we are using on, I mean, the standard pronoun is here. So why this column? Why I mean present continuous and X
Yes.
is present tense. So the same pronoun when it comes to continuous, present continuous, we add ta, yes. But on present tense, you keep it as it is. Doesn't change,
Mm-hmm.
except of here on third singular. Okay. Then we have these are ame akwandi. Yes, we have kwame. I mean kw is your prefix. It gives you insistence. Yeah, emphatic pronoun. Any questions that Nengoteriwa?
No questions. I understand. I
Yeah,
understand.
so you are learning so that you can one day teach to
My
others. Yes,
children. Yes.
of course. Yeah, we are learning. We so that we can teach other people.
Mm-hmm.
So this is double negatives. Kiko, your verb goes here. You
In
put the verb
between.
in the
Mm-hmm.
middle. Mm. Kiko. Remember, let me just try to explain again, just for the audience people who are following. It is like in French, when you say je ne veux pas, je ne, as soon as you say ne, we are expecting pas
Pa.
at the end. So here we have a Kiko, yeah, this is a Kikongo. So key, this one is your double negative. Key goes Iko, yes, but the small I is at the same time your this small I is at the same time your personal pronoun is it is I, yes? Okay, I is I. It is I in English as English. First person singular.
Mm-hmm.
The small I.
Mm-hmm.
Then KU,
Okay.
yes. The U is your U as in singular, second singular. KIA, yes, Katu. Ame Aku, this is very important to remember. Ame Aku Andi, because when put KW in front of Ame, what do I get? Nengoteriwa?
Kwame.
Well,
Kwame.
which is,
It's the emphatic pronoun.
yeah, well done, yes. Kwame, Kwakuson,
Kwaku,
Kweto,
kwame,
yes.
kwetu, kwenu, kwame.
Gay, yeah, well done. Oh, that, okay. Anyway, we, 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 we might go back to that in the future, but it's very important, very critical. It is very important. Any questions? You know?
Um, how do you use the negative for the present continuous? Like if I
You mean
want
the
to say,
Kiko? You mean the
mhm.
Kiko?
So
Uh, can you try to
so instead
say?
of saying
Go ahead.
so instead of saying kuzandu itatuka, I'll say kuzandu. Eh, do I say kita
Can you
ko?
say? Can you say it in English, please?
I came from the market. Kuzandu itatuka.
Yes.
So if I want to make it negative, like I want to say I did not come from the market. Then do I
Okay, okay, I got
I
you.
do
No,
not.
yeah, okay, I see what you mean. 1 minute, let
How
me
do I say that?
just. Hello, Tata
Nengo
Audrey.
Williams,
Hello, hello everyone.
how you doing?
Hello. How are you?
Oh, pretty good. How are you doing? How's
Good, 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 good,
Oh, doing good.
good.
yeah, how's everyone there?
Yeah, we are here. We are learning Kikongo. Yes.
Congo.
Oh, you just have you just have I forget your name. I'm sorry.
Nengwa Tadio.
Oh, well, okay. You just have her today.
Hmm?
And you?
Okay. Well, I'm glad to. I'm
Uh,
sorry I'm late, but I'm glad to
yeah,
be here.
no worry. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah, kite tu kakuzanduko. Nengo tedi wa? Yes.
So I say kita tuka. How do I say it, Tatamani?
Yeah.
Do I say kuzandu
Ki-
kita tukako?
Uh, kite tu kakuzanduko. But okay, we talk about later because the
Wow,
thing
that's
is,
complicated. Okay.
no. The thing is, Kikongo is. I'm not a linguist. I'm teaching, but people who are learning, I mean, I can blame them. Yes, people are not. They should try to simplify our language. Yes.
How? I'm finding
Well,
difficulty doing that.
no. It's up to them. The people are linguists. They should simplify our language. Yeah. Because Nengwatari was asking a question about how do you say negative. Kuzandu itatuka. I'm coming from the market. How do you say it in negative? I was saying that. Kitetuka kuzanduko. I'm not coming from the market, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere?
So you. Oh,
Yeah, okay. Did you hear me? Anywhere?
yes, I did hear you. So you
Yeah,
say
but go
he
ahead.
first and then ko is the last thing.
Now the thing is because we are teaching a language to many people, we're online. There are people who have never been to Congo area, they never heard Kikongo. So that's why I'm careful, I'm very cautious when I'm teaching Kikongo. I just want to make sure that we stick to things that are easy. Yeah, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So people can digest it well. Yeah, this is the aim. We want to teach the language so that people can understand. This is our aim. So, Ingate, okay, let me go jump back. Let me just go back to. We're going back to the same thing that. Yes.
Okay.
You know our motto. Our motto is little but mastered. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Small, never mind. Small, but we want to make sure we know it better. We are there. This is it. You
Yeah.
can't have your cake and eat it. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is life.
So about repetition.
Yeah, very important. I just want to make sure the little we know, the small we have, master. We know it very well. Then we can teach it to others. Get this, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You you will be sent, yeah? You will be commissioned to go and tell to other people. You see how you say it in the Kikongo, yeah. This is it. Nanga 21, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. We are going back to I just want to make sure, brother, you understand it, you know it, yes. So let me go. This is Kiko, yes. In
Mm-hmm.
Kikongo, Kiko, you put your verb here in the middle, yes. Your verb go
Yes.
ki, left side, ko at the other end, right side. So kizolele ko, sisters here.
Good morning.
Hello, sister. How are you?
Kiambote. I'm good. How
Yeah,
are you?
End of the.
Well, it's evening where they're at.
Oh, sorry. Good evening. Yeah, I forgot about the time difference.
no worries. Tutondele, welcome. Yes, I was telling brother and sister Tadiwa that we are going back to the. We just want to make sure that we know. Remember our motto: little but master. Yes,
Hmm.
we can. You can't have your cake and eat it. So We're doing our best anyway. You are brave people. I mean it. When I say you are brave, I mean it. Yeah. I wouldn't go online live and learning while watching. you know, there are people,
You telling us something that you wouldn't do.
you know what? There are people online that I mean, their job is just watching and see if they can criticize. Did you know that?
Oh,
Yeah.
of course, yeah.
Yeah.
There are people that they have nothing to do there. I mean, okay, you say in English, busybody, yes. They're sitting there, couch, just, oh no, no, it should be like this. So, you're brave, yes. So, let us go back to men. These are very important. Kikongo is, I think I did send you a message on Facebook, on on WhatsApp. Kikongo, the first ever African language grammar book. Yeah, did you get that? Yeah. Never tell you. No?
No, I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Never mind. No, no. I did send. I sent to all of you a text. Yeah. Anyway, let us go quick. Time is gone.
Is it in a PDF file or?
No, 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 not the book. Just the message. The message was
Oh,
saying that
okay.
the first ever African grammar book. The first
Is it a
ever
grammar
written.
book or a dictionary?
Sorry.
I remember a dictionary.
No, dictionary. Okay, grammar. It is in Rome. I think. When you say Rome, you mean the Vatican, of course.
Oh.
It is in Kikongo. In Kikongo, yes, the first ever.
Mm,
Yes. Okay.
really interesting.
We are going back to the same thing. Bear with me. Don't get bored because it's very important. We just make sure we know it, and we know it well because science is science. It is not to be superficial. We need to go deep. Yes. Kiko is standard negative. Yeah. Kikongo, like French. When you say je ne, people are expecting pas at the end. Je ne veux pas, je n'ai pas at the end. So Kikongo, negative, we have ki on your far left and ko far right. Are we okay on that? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Then we have a standard. I mean, it is on the next page. These are tonic pronoun, personal pronoun, of course, but they are tonic. Mono, ngeye, yandi, yeto. And in French, you would say moi, toi, nous, vous, so on. But from your third singular, Andy, he is from, I remember this color, very important suffixes, yes?
Mm-hmm.
We have pronoun here, tonic pronoun, but mono ngeye, mono me, ngeye you. Of course, mono is the word you have in Latin. Mono, we have in Latin.
Which
Coming
stands
from
for one.
sorry?
Isn't mono means one in Latin?
Yes, mono, yes, coming from Kikongo, yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's so
Mono
cool.
means one, yeah. You have it in Latin. You have remember music in music industry, the mono stereo. Mono means just one channel. Stereo means many channels, yes. That's mono means one. It comes from Kikongo. The Kikongo precedes Latin, yes?
Mm-hmm.
No doubt about it. Yeah, this is it is there. Yeah. So monongeye, you. Then from third singular we have Andy. Remember Andy, Eto, Yet, Yandi. These are from third singular. These are from these are suffixes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yandi, Yeto, because get this. Some people say Beto. So Y could be B or Y, the prefix. The prefix could be B or Y. No, Y. Yes, we have we have Y. Yes, this is Y. Yes.
Right.
Yes. It could be B. Some people say Beto. Yen be no bow. It is fine. It is Kikongo. Any questions? Sister Kindness, let me pick on you. Any questions?
I don't have questions.
You are fine.
For now.
Yeah. Yes. This colon very important because from these you could have your emphatic. How do you have emphatic first person? That how do you, everything is on the screen.
Um,
First
what do you
person.
mean when you say emphatic?
Emphatic. Yeah, just give me emphatic. First person emphatic. Just the pronoun emphatic. You have a
Like
look. It is on your screen. Look at the prefix and the column suffixes.
Are you talking about like Kwame and?
Yeah, well done. So well done. Yeah, Ame is there. Ame, I get Kwame by adding. I mean, by inserting. If you could say that.
Mm-hmm.
You could say insert. You put your prefix before Ame, then it becomes Kwame.
Kwame.
Yeah. Okay. Kwenda to go. Yes. Quiza. Quiza.
Quiza.
To
That
come.
is to come.
Yes. Okay. I'm not going. You have Kiko. Yeah. Remember always. If it
is that Quinda?
Sorry. You have your verb here in the middle. You have a Kiko. Yeah. Just Kiko. Then the verb the verb in the middle.
Quindico.
Well done. Yes. Okay. Now we want emphatic. You have your everything is there on this row. Look at the end. Everything is there. Yes. You emphatic after the verb. Emphatic after the verb.
We're on the are we on the right side or?
Yeah. Go ahead. Same thing. Kikwendako, yes. Kikwendako, yes.
Wait, what's the question? I forgot.
No, Kikwendako it's fine, but we want emphatic. We want to underline. We are not going at all.
Kikwenda Kwameko.
Bravo, yeah, well done. Yes, Kikwenda Kwameko. Remember, Kwame comes from your prefix KW, then Ame. Okay. We are not going, Sister Candace. We are not going.
Quizzical.
Yes, one person, but we are not going.
Oh, we.
Kwenda. We are not going. Is that look at on the table? Is there? We are not going.
Is it Kwendako?
Katu, yeah, Katu, yes.
Katu Kwendako.
Bravo, yes. So remember, we want emphatic now. Remember your. Is there your?
Katu Kwenda Ketoko.
Well done, yeah. Katu Kwenda Ketoko, yes. Yes. Another addition. Lenda is can. Lendi cannot. Yes. Lenda can. Lendi cannot. So that. Let's go.
Okay, so would that be Katu Queta Lindico? Would that be that?
Remember, Lendi before the verb, emphatic after the verb.
Katu Lendi Quetico.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, you just dropped. You forgot. You left your emphatic. Katulendi kwenda kwetuko. Yes.
Okay.
Katulendi kwenda kwetu. Yes. Okay. You many. You can't come. Come is quiza. You can't come at all. You can't come at all. We're using Lendi and the emphatic. Sister, please. Sister.
Me?
Yes. Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay.
Second plural, yes.
Okay. Kalu, Linda.
Yes, yeah, well done, Lindy, yes. Oh, she's gone.
Are you? We can't hear you.
Quino Co, right? I feel like
Yeah, we missed that. You go back, yeah.
Okay, I know now. Kalu, Linda, Quenda, Quino Co.
Well done, Kalu Lendi Kwenda Kwenda. Yes.
Oh, Lindy.
Bravo.
Okay.
Yes, Lendi, yeah. Linda is positive, can.
Okay. And Lindy is can't.
Lendi is cannot, yeah, can't.
Okay.
Yeah. American, can't. How do you pronounce that? Yes. Okay. Then what tell you? They can't go at all. Then go tell you, please.
Okay. Kabalendi kwenda kwauko.
Well done, Kwauko. Yes, well done. Tutondele. Questions? No?
No
How do you
questions.
use lender?
Sorry?
How do you use lender instead of lending?
No, it's exactly as in English. When you say
Linda,
can,
you can, right? That's
yeah. Lendi
How do
is
you use lender?
what you mean them positive?
Yes, the positive one. How
Ah,
do you use the positive?
okay, I can ask you. You want to have this thing, you know? But Lenda, I can ask you a question. Lenda Quiza. Can you translate into English? That name will tell you.
Can you come?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Linda Quiza. Did you get that, Sister Candice? Linda Quiza.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you come?
Exactly as in English. Can you come? Linda Quiza. But don't worry about the verb lenda. Don't go there. Yeah. Because if you want to say lenda, you would have said lenda quiza. See the transformation, yeah? From the infinitive to first singular. Then what tell you? Yes?
Yes.
Are you there? Then what tell you?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, it's hard. That's why we just stay there. Okay, Titonde, well done. Let us go to talk. Yeah, you're doing well. Well done. Just drop this. Yes, Lenda, it is your can. Let me just try to write down. Maybe people are following. Yeah, people are learning. Let me just Lenda quiz. How do you answer? I'm going to tell you a Lenda quiz. Answer positive then. Give me the answer. You give the answer.
You
Who, me
say,
or?
No,
English,
I'm going to tell you. Sorry?
you sing quiz.
No. Using the verb Lenda. Because Lenda is the verb.
Say,
Is the verb and at the same time auxiliary.
you say mono is singer quizer or you just say
I want you to use the verb lender. It is a verb.
lender.
Yeah, it
Or
is
you
a verb
say
with
lender
auxiliary.
quizer.
Sorry?
So I say lender quizer.
No, remember the key word, the key word. First single always a nasal.
Oh,
Kikongo.
what is it?
All of them.
Is it key quizer?
Sorry?
Key quizer.
Ah, using
lender.
you did ask for trouble, see? See?
Lendi quizer.
Make your life easy. Man, I want you to use it lender.
Oh, lender.
Mm.
I don't know how to do that other one.
It's confusing.
Yeah, because that's positive. So I'm trying to cut. So key and co won't even be in it.
Now, if you want to use the verb lender, then you say ndenda quiza. I can come. See?
Oh, ndenda quizer.
Linda Quiza.
No, don't worry about that. No, forget it. Yeah? Don't go there.
Okay.
I want to make your life easy.
Also, you add the ND in front of.
Sorry?
You add
No, but
ND in front of.
You see the transformation from lender to ndenda. See, there's almost no connection. See?
Yeah, no
somehow in Kikongo you have to find a nasal.
Oh
It's
yeah,
very
yeah, I
hard.
remember that.
Let's say noir to drink. If I want to say I've drunk, I mean, not bad way. So you would have said ndwini, see, from noir.
Dwini.
Yes, see.
Dwini.
Don't
Dwini.
worry, don't worry about.
I would've
Don't go there, yeah. Don't
I
go
wouldn't
there.
have got it.
Yes, Mona to see.
I know
Say
that one. It's Mbwenge.
sorry.
Is it Mwene?
Mbwene, see the transformation.
Mwene.
I've seen Mona from Mona to Mbwene. So no, don't go there. Because what you learn here is very. It is. I mean, it is okay. It is enough. You have to speak Kikongo. Well, anyway, you are speaking Kikongo. Lenda for anyone who is watching. People are watching. Someone who is watching. Lenda means. I mean, the verb can. Lendi cannot. Okay. Tutondele. Anyway, you asking for trouble. Don't go there. Yeah, make your life easy. Yeah, life is hard. No? Don't want to make it harder. Yeah, then the quiz. Yeah.
Linda Quiza.
Then the quiz.
Linda Quiza.
Yeah. Linda quiz. Yeah. Mwene, the question. Have you seen Mwene from Mona? Mwene, then you say Mbwene, see?
Buene means what?
Sorry?
Meaning what?
No, Mona to see.
And then you respond saying buene, meaning yes, I can see.
I have seen. You remember?
I have seen. Okay.
Yeah, yes. But it is hard. Yes. Let us go. Our talk is there. Yes. Oh, let me go back because this is a tradition. We are African. We have to stick to our tradition. We always say thank you to the elders. Yes.
Yeah.
We are African. This is us. No? Be yourself. Don't worry. Thanks to Tata Jean Makondekwa and Professor Hazel Carter. You did well, otherwise we wouldn't be here. Yes, Tutondele. Always honor elders. Yes. Okay, this is not easy peasy, yeah? This is easy peasy. We're talking Tata Audrey talking to Nengo Tadiwa, first land Tata Audrey, yes, please.
Besinga Kakota.
Yes, thank you.
Nki Antangwa Besinga Kota.
Yeah, okay. Here, because this course is very, very slowly but surely. Make sure you understand this because we are going from 1 to 2. I mean level. I mean we are going up. Sorry.
Question. Question.
There's an echo there. That's me.
Oh.
Ki antangwa tangwa besinga kota. Kota to come in, of course. Kota ki antangwa when ki antangwa besinga kota. Let me just
but
sorry.
Bad as in bad singer is bad plural. As
you
in
could say besinga, same thing. You could say besinga, yes. Did I answer a question?
But the root word is singer, right?
Sorry?
The root word is singer, right? Or So they would make it they.
You are right, but tell me what is the singer? Singer is what?
I have it as we do or we go. Is that right?
Sorry, Caesar, say it again, sir.
I have singer means we do or we go.
Let me try.
Is that right?
Yes, singer's future, but let me just try to highlight something very important. Singer's there, yes. Singer is your auxiliary. I shouldn't say it. I'm going to tell you what is singer.
Singer means will. Like
you auxiliary, yes. For future, yes.
Well, what does I thought, because I was reading something the other day. I was trying to read it in Kikongo, and it was biblical stuff. So it says best singer, and I thought that meant commandments or laws or something.
Singer is your will, your auxiliary. For the verb there is kota. So when you say singer, we mean future. Be singer by singer kota. They will. It's okay?
Okay.
It's a condense, yes.
Okay, so it means will.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it is your auxiliary. Yes.
That's interesting.
Sorry.
That's not what I had written down from like a few months ago. Okay, I'll change it.
Well, what is in singer?
E-singer.
Yeah, in singer.
E-singer. You tell me, brother. You tell me what is e-singer.
It means I will.
Okay, I will. Okay.
Yes. You remember? Can you see my screen? Singer is there.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Singer is there. Singer. Whatever you have before singer is your pronoun, personal pronoun. Yes. This is third plural. Yes. Are we okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Question to that. Audrey. Here, first person singular. If I drop this first singular.
Right, then it would be just, you say if you remove the bay from it?
I drop a B and E. What would I write here as a first pronoun?
E-singer?
Sorry?
E-singer?
Bravo, well done. Yes. Yeah. You know your stuff, Mama. You know your Kikongo, yeah. Well done, yeah. Singer, whenever you see singer, worry about the prefix. Okay. Before that, yes. Usinga, you. Nengwa cadence, you many, yes. Here, if I drop a BE.
Basinga?
Yeah, but singer third plural, yeah. Could be a singer third plural. I mean, you many, you second plural, you many.
Oh, I'm not sure how to say that because I know it has a U.
You remember the formula. Tuluba, remember for future for plural.
Oh, is it two singer or katu singer? No.
Two would be us, but I'm asking second plural, please. Lu.
Oh, Lusinga.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Lusinga.
Okay, I see now on my notes. I see. Because the first plural would be Tusinga and then Lusinga, then Basinga.
Yeah, well done. Could be Basinga or Besinga. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Well done. Tata, how do you any questions?
No, I'm just looking at the.
Yeah, you know your stuff. You know, you say Isinga. Yeah, well done. Isinga, it's me, I, first person. Yes. Usinga or Usinga, Kasinga, third singular. Yes. Okay. Besinga kota.
But I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What about the third singular, which has an A? What do you say?
Sorry?
What would the third singular be?
Good question.
For singa, because it's an A. So you would have E singa, U singa, or A singa.
Second and third something. Osinga, yes.
Kasinga.
Oh,
It's not Kasinga. I thought it was Kasinga.
I know where
It
you're
was in a
going.
different room.
I know where you're going. Don't worry. That's the reason I'm saying that because I don't want to bombard you with stuff. Yeah, no, just
I
Tata.
understand.
Yango kind of state that you are well. Isinga, Osinga, second, Osinga
okay.
first.
So it would
Yes,
be Osinga.
yes.
With
Then
an O, not a U, right?
yes,
O.
well done. Yes, it's
Okay.
you second singular, then O again, third singular. Yes, him, her. Yes. Then plural is easy. Plural is two luba. Remember two luba. Two us, we.
Right.
Two we, lu, you, many.
Ba.
And
Ba
ba.
or be.
Two singer, Lu singer, Ba or Be singer.
Yeah, be or ba. It doesn't matter. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood.
Question. Any questions?
Understood.
Yeah,
No
understood.
question.
Don't make your life hard. You know, don't tell you. Yeah. Okay. I was about to write something here. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Tangwa, it is time. Tangwa means time. Tangwa. Tangwa means time and the planet sun. Yes, sun. Tangwa. 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 Sun. Oh, time. Yes. Tangwa. Tangwa. Sun or time. But guess what? The easiest one is use ngunga for time because ngunga is bell. Yes?
Okay, that makes sense.
Ngunga
Bell?
is bell. Yes.
You know, like you're ringing a bell, like come and eat.
Yeah,
or something?
yes. Ngunga. Ngunga.
Why do you prefer that over in Tangwa?
Tangwa is confusing. Tangwa could be your planet sun, yes?
Yeah.
But ngunga is
But when you look at the sun, depending on what, I guess what angle or what time of day, then, you can tell what time it is by, I forgot how to put it, but so that one to me makes more sense than Gunga Bell.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. You could either use ngunga or tangwa. But tangwa could be tangwa is wide, yeah. Tangwa could be period, yes. Time,
period time.
yes. Sun, but bell, ngunga is bell, yes.
Okay, I'll take your word at it.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, okay. We're stopping 1 minute. Yes, okay. Besinga kota, kian tangwa, tangwa. Remember, a here is just your prefix. You could just say kintangwa, but okay. Let us follow the master, big master. Ki antangwa besinga kota. Question, yes. Ki antangwa besinga kota. Sister Candace, can you read the second line? First line, brother Audrey, please.
First line or second line?
First, please. Sister Candace, second, please.
Besinga Kakota.
Thank you.
Nkiantanga Besinga Kota. So
Well
it's
done,
Nki Antangwa.
Well done. Well.
Okay.
Well, good.
So
tone.
no TH?
Sorry?
Is no TH sound like T T and Thangwa.
Kiantangwa, because this is long vowel, yeah? Kiantangwa, yes? It is your, is it your question, yeah? Yes, brother?
Yes.
Kiantangwa, when are they? I mean, basically, what time, yes. Okay, Tutondele, we're going back to this one. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Unless, any questions? Are we okay?
No.
Yeah,
no questions.
Ngunga. Tango, remember? By the way, did you know that? Yeah, did you know that tango? Well, you could say tango. Tango dance. It is from Congo, yes? You know that?
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Is it Venezuela or Argentina? Where is it? Argentina, yes?
It's Argentina.
Yes.
I think.
We are live. I can't say anymore. Yeah, I can't add. Yeah, we are live. Sorry. Yeah, no. I don't want to open my library. Yeah, it is we're live. Yeah. Rumba. Some people pronounce Ramba. Rumba from Cuba is Kikongo. Is Nkumba. What is Nkumba?
It means stomach.
Ombi. Remember? Umbilicus. Remember? No, if you forgot. Yeah, you know the dance. You touch each other.
Yeah.
You touch. Yeah, that's where the word. Word comes from. Nkumba, rumba. Then tango. We did our forefathers. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we're stopping there. I don't want to. I need to control myself. You should do your homework, man. Go online, see what happened to Argentina. Okay, sorry, I have to stop there. Yeah. Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Tango comes from Tangwa. Tutondele onda Gambote.
Sala Gambote.
Sala
Gambote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu